So I'm here in Nearpod with one of the lessons I prepared for my students who are studying retail. And this video is just a short video about inflation. But what I love about Nearpod now is that once the students have watched the video, they might have some questions before they go on and do some formative assessment. So you've now got on every slide in Nearpod, you can open up this interactive whiteboard, which automatically pushes out to the student's screen. And then for myself, I'm using a graphics tablet, but you might have a touchscreen device. You've got down the bottom here all of the different tools you might need. So you can create, for example, a very simple graph and use that to explain to the students, so right, there we go, that's the years, and here's your percentage. And you can choose different colors and say, for example, okay, so this line here recommends the rise that somebody's received in terms of their wages over the last sort of 10 years. And then you could show that over the last 10 years, actually, this is what inflation has done. So the inflation rate's been higher, and therefore the gap between the two has widened than it was back here. So what was worth £1, probably now, although it's still in theory worth £1, doesn't buy you anywhere near as much as it used to, because how far that money stretches has changed significantly. And it just gives you the opportunity to be able to demonstrate that, put any kind of misconceptions to one side before you go on with the next task. And you can just close that at any point and carry on with the video. So a really useful addition to Nearpod.